Today, we're checking out the JBL PartyBox On-The-Go 2 Plus, a portable party speaker with vibrant light shows and an extra cool feature for the best karaoke experience. Unboxing time. Open the box and take out the speaker. In the box, you'll find the quick start guide, power cord, carrying strap, wireless microphone, and microphone holder. Turn the speaker on by pressing the power button. If it's the first time using the PartyBox, Bluetooth pairing will activate automatically. If another device is already connected, you can manually pair the PartyBox by pressing the Bluetooth button. You can now find the speaker listed on your device to make the connection. In case you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can also connect your device with an aux cable. Snap on the carrying strap and you're mobile, or use the handle on top. Bring the beats wherever you're headed. Bonus, it's got an IPX4 rating, so you don't have to worry about splashing water nearby. On the speaker, use the play button to pause or switch songs. Turn it to control the volume. Want to set the vibe? Hit the Lightshow button to turn the lights on or off. Or spin it to find your aesthetic. If you really want to get the party going, you can press the bass boost button. Take the microphone in your hand and press the button to turn it on. It is automatically connected to your speaker. On the PartyBox, you can adjust the volume and echo of the microphone. You can connect two microphones at the same time. And if it's not a sing-along, attach the microphone holder onto the back of your speaker and place your microphone there when you are not using it. With the JBL PartyBox On-The-Go 2 Plus, you get a super cool feature, the AI Vocal Remover. Remove vocals from any song you're listening to on the PartyBox. Press the vocal removal button to turn the effect on or off. Want to fine-tune it? Just turn the dial on the PartyBox to adjust how much of the vocals you want to have. You can also press the button on the microphone to adjust your setting while singing. It works instantly and with any song, so you can create your own karaoke vibe wherever you are. Now here's where it gets cool. Grab the JBL One App. With the app, you can control the light show, tune the settings for your microphone, change the pitch, or adjust the vocal removal levels. Boost your sound even more with the Multi-Speaker Connection by Auracast. If you have extra JBL Auracast-enabled speakers, you can connect them by using the Auracast button for an even bigger party. Press the Auracast button on the speaker and then on the secondary speakers to fill your space with the beats of your choice. Low on battery? That's not going to stop you. Charge your speaker when the light indicator turns red. Simply plug in the power cord on the back of the speaker. After about 3.5 hours, your battery is fully charged and ready to go for up to 15 hours. And if you need a quick boost, just 10 minutes of charging gets you up to 80 minutes of playtime. Or even better, get a dedicated JBL charging case and extra replaceable JBL Battery 200 so you will never run out of power. Is your phone or microphone almost empty? Use the USB port on the speaker for charging to keep the party going. Anywhere, anytime.